Hello guys, this is AB from PickJordan23.cn and PickJordan23.net. If you guys are interested in those items, don't forget to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp, and you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or do more review here. Okay, and today show you guys the Airfare of God 1. 3 colors. And the new sample we got. Okay, now let me show you guys. Okay, first this one. The side. Logo here, small logo. Okay, top box. The lace lock. Okay, another side. The back. The button. Okay, last this one, the yellow. Top box. Another side, small logo, and here any word. Air, fear of God. The back. Nike logo. And the button. Okay, turn to the last one, the green. The back. Another side. Top box. And the button. Yeah. Okay. Just a review to show you guys the Airfare of God 1. If you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp. I'm AB from PickJordan23.cn and PickJordan23.net. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.